guys, we're gonna start with the liquid latex. It does stink like fish, so beware. Go ahead and use a brush that you're not gonna want to keep. I ended up ruining mine. I'm watching Scream right now, it's so good. Oldie but a goodie. Dip it into the glue or the latex and then go on the top of the forehead. That's where we'll start the perimeter, and we'll start where the cut is. And then you're going to go around your whole face, around the whole perimeter, do the same thing. Lay the liquid latex down, take some tissue paper or Kleenex, kind of ball it up in a line, and then go ahead and gently place it down so it sticks. Next, we'll sketch out the breast implant area. I just took a white eyeliner, and then you'll do the same, go over it with the liquid latex, and then put some tissue paper over it to create the same look. I probably shouldn't have had foundation on, but it's okay. You'll go over the white tissue paper areas, or if you have scar putty that works, go over that area with foundation so that it looks like skin. Going in with a pink and darker red, I guess eyeshadow, and then going around the nose to make it look irritated red, swollen, and bloody. I'm also going in with a darker purple and blue to shadow around the nose, to create more depth and dimension to make it look more bruised, and then also bringing that pink and all those other purple shadows on my brush under my eye bags to where it looks like I would have a black eye, just all over the under eyes to make it look irritated and bruised. Now I'm taking some blood that I just got at the spirit store on the other end of my makeup brush, and then putting them under my eye bags. Later on, we're going to draw stitches there, so it's gonna just look like it's blood coming out of the stitches. Also added tape and gauze to my nose to make it look like I got a nose job. To make it a little bit darker, then added some fake blood inside my nose to make it look like it's bleeding, and then also went back to my chest and shaded in with red to contour. After the chest contour, I took that same brush with the red on it and did a light dusting around the perimeter of my face to add a little red, and then took that same blood and then went around back on the perimeter on the outside and put the blood in as if the blood was seeping out of the stitches. After adding blood around the entire face and also the chest incisions, I'm taking a black eyeliner and drawing some dashes. This would be where the doctor would be doing the incisions. I'm just going to go ahead and take a red eyeshadow and buff that on and around my mouth to make it look irritated. Then taking a brown pencil liner over drawing my lip, and then filling it in with some concealer to make it look like they're super pouty and swollen and big. Go ahead and wrap gauze around my head. This made the look really complete and brought it together. I'm also going to go ahead and take the fake blood and then just go over where I already have blood and just intensify it even more. And that's that. I hope you guys like my plastic surgery gone wrong look. It was pretty quick and easy. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks. Bye. Oh my goodness. Mother. Good thing I didn't spill this glue.
Over your body and over your soul, we're gonna take back everything and lose it all.